Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are at Causeway bus station on the 22nd of December 2024, and today we have another major Perth infrastructure project ready and operational with the Boorloo Bridge completion. Here we are, this is the city side of the bridge. This is the end of the causeway and the roundabouts we're all familiar with. Here, I think this is actually a new slip lane though. It looks resurfaced from the causeway to access Riverside Drive. Other than that, you can still take the PSP onto the existing causeway bridge, but otherwise you take this Victoria Park 2 kilometers right here, all the way around and up. So it is fully separated actually for bicycles and pedestrians, with color-coded sections as well, which is not done in many other paths like this in Perth, but here it's definitely needed because it's going to be very busy. Finally a proper connection for pedestrians. This really wasn't cutting it. This was actually so necessary. They've kept this uncolored. It's still just brown with the boomerang shape, definitely giving it a unique design. And then you cross over the first section onto Heirisson Island. Here's the absolutely terrible old bridge. You can see the bus lanes in the middle. Unbelievably narrow. Can't believe this is what had to sustain that amount of foot traffic. I mean, it's obviously more because of the opening, but still. And now, 72 years after this was opened, we have that.
Rita Saffioti. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you very much. This is a huge crowd here and a huge crowd on the bridge. Can I acknowledge the traditional owners? Can I pay respect to the elders and thank them so much for what they did to help us build this incredible bridge. Now this bridge is Western Australian made, and it was made by a company called Civimex. So a big thank to all the workers out at Henderson and the designers at Seymour White WSP. The design is incredible and made here in WA. Now there's 17,000 LED lights in that bridge, so we'll be lighting it up very soon. 1,600 tons of steel. This is an incredible bridge. It's about connecting communities. It's making sure people have different ways to get into the city and also back into this beautiful peninsula. So a big thank you to the community for coming out. We're going to have an incredible fireworks display. The bridge is spectacular. Thank you to everyone who helped build this bridge. But this is something that in generations to come, you'll be able to say that you were here on the opening of the Boorloo Bridge. Thank you very much.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.